Another site that is useful is the Explore Learning Gizmos, and this enables your students to sort of do some inquiry-based learning using some simulations already provided. What is needed in order to access this site is you are going to need some sort of registration link. So you would have to get that from the head of your department, or maybe our IPL at the board can provide you with that registration key. That's the first step that you need to do. The next thing is, how do you actually enroll your students once you have created a subscription for yourself? So I'm going to go to explorelearning.com, and this is where it takes me to my site that I've already registered for. And you're going to see there's my login there and my subscription, my home page. So if I go to my home page, it tells me that I have got 2 classes that are active. What you would do if you want to add a new class, so I'll add a new class, and I will create like a code for that class. So let's say that it's SNC 1D1. I can type in grade 9 academic science and Warner, okay? And I'll click add a class. And then it will ask you to take a look at some of this specifics related. So grade 9, okay, and let's just say I click chemistry again, and I want them to learn a little bit about the physical properties. Now what's going to happen is these are some of the gizmos that are going to pop up, and they might be related if you're doing the density unit. Here's a density laboratory that you might want to do. So you can click add to class, and I want it to go to this class here. Okay, and then if I want to take a look at what that gizmo is all about, I would go through it, and I can sort of see what that is all about as well. Okay, so if you want information pertaining to that particular gizmo, here's the student exploration worksheet. So what I would do is I would link that to your Google Classroom or your Brightspace, whatever it is that you are using, or you email it to them. And these are the questions that go along with the gizmo as they are going through it. Here is a teacher's guide, and here is the answer sheet. What they do ask is that you do not share the answer key to the web, so that teachers can continue to use this as an assessment tool. So you can download the answer key, and you can sort of mark their work that way. So when I go back, I can look at my other classes. Here's my grade 11 class. These are all of the gizmos that I found that I thought would be helpful moving forward. You can also delete by using this X button. You can remove it from the class. If I want to search, I can search different topics. So let's say that I wanted to search, let's say grade 11 physics. I can do that. I can click search, and some of these other ones pop up here. And again, if you want to launch the gizmo before you add it to your class because you want to see some information pertaining to it, again, you go to the lesson information and see the worksheet, okay? And then if you are confident that you want that, you can click add to your class, click on the class that you want it to add to. Okay, and then again, I just want to verify that that happens to be there. So I will go to my class there, and I want to see that, oh, there it is there. And I've got 0 people that have done it so far. If you click on the results, it will show me here, or who has accessed the site. Okay, and then you can click on the different classes that you have created.